At 374 miles per hour, Japan's SC Maglev doesn't just break speed records, it floats above them. Using powerful electromagnets, this train literally levitates inches above its track, eliminating friction entirely. No wheels touching the ground means no speed limits from traditional rail technology. The magnetic field propels it forward while keeping it perfectly stable, even at these incredible speeds. This isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse into a future where distance becomes irrelevant. When this technology goes global, a trip from New York to Washington, D.C. could take just 36 minutes. The age of magnetic levitation has arrived.